Now let's go to the periodic function. The function ft is said to be periodic function if the ft is equal to the ft plus capital T, in which the capital T is the period of the function f. And the Laplace transform of the periodic function is Laplace transform of ft is equal to 1 over 1 minus exponent negative s capital T, and the integration from 0 to capital T exponent negative st, ft dt, and the s should be more than 0. Now let's look at the example. Sketch the graph of the following function, then find its Laplace transform for the ft equal to the exponent negative t from 0 to 1. And the ft is ft plus 1. In this question, you can see here the integration, the t is from 0 to 1. This means that the t is equal to 1, and this is referred to 1 cycle. So to solve this question, Laplace transform of the ft equal to, this is, you can use the periodic function. Okay, based on the periodic function formula, you can get 1 over 1 minus exponent minus s capital T, and then t is referred to 1, so it's 1 exponent negative s, and the integration 0 to capital T, so 0 to 1, exponent negative st exponent negative t dt, and this will equal to 1 over 1 minus exponent negative s, 0 to 1 exponent, this one you can combine, so exponent negative s plus 1 t dt, and this equivalent to 1 over 1 minus exponent negative s. Okay, you integrate the exponent, you can get exponent negative s plus 1 t minus divide by minus s plus 1, integrate from 0 to 1, so the limit is 0 to 1. So this is equal to 1 over 1 minus exponent negative s. You substitute the t with the value of 1 and 0. Then this one substitute with 0. So this is equivalent to 1 over 1 minus exponent negative s. This is exponent negative s plus 1 divided by negative s plus 1 plus with 1 over s plus 1. So this is equivalent to 1 minus exponent s negative s, and then s plus 1. So this one you can multiply in, so you get the denominator like this. Okay, 1 minus exponent negative s multiplied with s plus a, and then this part is the, okay, this is just 1 only, so 1 minus with exponent negative s plus 1. Okay, that's all for this question. The second question is a gt, and for 0 to pi there is a sin t, and pi to 2 pi you have the 0. So gt equal to gt plus 2 pi, means that is a 2 pi equal to 1 cycle. So equal to 1 cycle. So therefore Laplace transform of the gt is equal to 1 over 1 minus exponent minus s 2 pi. Okay, and the integration from 0 to 2 pi also, exponent negative st gt dt. So now we can this denominator here we can factorize this one. So we can get 1 plus exponent negative pi s, 1 minus the exponent negative pi s. And integrate 0 to pi exponent negative st sin t dt. So this is based on the question. From 0 to pi sin t, and pi to 2 pi you get 0. So plus with pi to 2 pi s bar negative st multiplied with 0. So this one you get 0 here. So from here we can use the tabular method. So differentiation and integration. So differentiate the sine t and integrate for the s bar negative st. So you differentiate the sine t, you get cos t, and differentiate again, you get negative sine t. And integrate exponent negative st, you get exponent negative st divided by negative s. Integrate again, you get exponent negative st divided by s squared. So this is positive, this is negative, and this one is positive too because it's not finished. So this part you will get exponent negative st sine t dt. You can get exponent negative st divided by negative s sine t, okay, which is this one multiplied with this one. So you get here. And then minus, okay, minus is referred to this one, cos t multiplied with this part. So exponent negative st divided by s squared multiplied with the cos t. And then last part is plus with this one. So this one is referred to the plus with sine t multiplied with this. So plus and minus you get negative. Negative 1 over s squared. Because not finished, so it's the integration s1 negative st sine t dt. So we can bring the last part here because since this one is integration, this part also integration. So we can bring to the left hand side. So I have the 1 over s squared integration s1 negative st sine t dt plus with the integration s1 negative st sine t dt is equivalent to exponent negative st negative over negative s sine t. So this part I will copy down this one. So minus with the exponent negative st divided by s squared cos t. And the limit is from 0 to pi. Okay, 0 to pi because it's from here, 0 to pi. Now I factorize this part, I get 1 over s squared plus 1 multiply with the integration of the exponent negative st sine t dt. And this will equal, substitute this part, I substitute the t with the pi and substitute the t with the 0 also. So you get exponent negative s pi sine pi divided by negative s minus with exponent negative s pi divided by s squared and then cos pi. Then minus with exponent 0 minus divided by negative s sine 0 minus with exponent 0 divided by s squared cos 0. So this part sine 0 you get 0 and then cos 0 you get 1. Cos pi you get negative 1, then sine pi you get 0. So here I just left this part. So I have positive exponent negative s pi divided by s squared. And this one 0 and also this part. Okay, minus, okay, minus you get plus 1 over s squared. So this one I can move to the right hand side. So left hand side I just left this one. So left hand side I have the exponent integration exponent negative st sine t dt. Okay, this one I move to the right hand side. I get the, okay, so 1 over s squared plus 1. This is equal to the 1 plus s squared divided by s squared. So this one is referred to this. So I move to the right hand side. So this is equal to the s squared divided by 1 plus s squared. Okay, so I will copy down the remaining. the exponent negative s pi divided by s squared plus 1 over s squared. So this one, okay, I can write it like this: s squared 1 plus exponent negative s pi divided by 1 plus s squared and then s squared. So like this, we can cancel out here. So we just remain 1 plus exponent negative s pi divided by 1 plus s squared. Okay, so this is for the part of the integration exponent and negative st sine t, which is referred to this part. Okay, which refer to this part. Now we start from here again. Laplace transform of the gt equal to 1 over 1 plus exponent negative pi s 1 minus exponent negative pi s, then multiply with 1 plus exponent negative s pi divided by 1 plus s squared. So this one we can cancel out and we remain 1 over 1 minus exponent negative pi s and then multiply with 1 plus s squared. So that's all for the example of the periodic function. Hope you can understand. Thank you.